The BGSU hockey team also returns to Wood County this weekend. For the first time in program history, the Falcons will battle the University of St. Thomas. BCSN's Claire Dow has a preview of the CCHA matchup.
This weekend is full of firsts for Bowling Green hockey. Friday is their first home league contest in the new CCHA, and it marks the Tommies' first visit to Slater Family Ice Arena. St. Thomas made the jump to Division I from D3 this season, but their new head coach is no stranger to Bowling Green. Former Miami head coach Rico Blasi now leads St. Thomas.
They feel like they're making progress. It's a unique situation. They go right from D3 right to D1 in a matter of a year, and they bring some players with them from D3 who, however they did their tryouts or however they asked people to be a part of it, and then they add some transfers and they add some freshmen. So it looks like from the outside that they are making a progress, and they've played a difficult schedule. They played St. Cloud early, who's as good as anybody in the country. Then they took a long trip to Arizona State last weekend, and obviously Rico's been around a long time, and he knows what he wants to do, and he knows what it takes to build a program into a nationally ranked team. So we're certainly not going to be looking past St. Thomas this weekend.
Blasi isn't the only familiar face folks from Northwest Ohio will see on the Tommies bench this weekend. Sylvania native and former St. John's Titan Joey Sofo transferred to St. Thomas last year following his time at Alaska Anchorage.
The Sofo family and hockey are synonymous with this area, and when he was at Alaska Anchorage, I believe his dad and the Sofo Foods group, they brought in probably 200 fans, which was great, that they got a chance to see Joe play, and it upped our attendance that night, which was really good. So we know Joey. I remember him when he was playing AAA hockey in Michigan, and then his brother, Jace is the same age as my son, so they went to St. John's together. So we're familiar with who they are, and great that he can be getting an opportunity to finish his college career up at St. Thomas.
Puck drop between the Falcons and Tommies is set for 7:07 on both Friday and Saturday. In Bowling Green, Claire Dow, BCSN.